Hey guys, I'm out here in my backyard. Yeah, that's my backyard. Lake Erie. It's frozen right now, and just coming out here and seeing if I have any ice fishermen out here. But there are some on the other side. I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you. Well, there's a couple of people out there. Not a lot. Usually it's like completely covered with dots everywhere. Way over there in the distance is our peninsula. I see a couple of huts over there. Let's see if we can get a little closer here. There's a couple of gravestones out there. We have another storm coming, so that is our wonderful watchtower. Been there since I was a kid. It's a little nippy out here. About 20 degrees, not too bad. Way over there, get a little closer. That is our monument. It's on the peninsula. This is beautiful. Big ships. So here's a closer video I got of the ship. This particular ship came in, and this company right here, they repair all the big ones. Wow, that's a monster. You always get these big ones down here, and usually in the summertime you'll see the USS Niagara. So I got a lot of history here in Erie. Awesome. Alright guys, that's it for me. It's cold. See you next time. Make sure you subscribe if you like the video, and make sure you turn your notifications on. See you later.